me up. She's tall, she's covering me up. बस हो गया.
Are you excited?
Yes, very much.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Why?
Very.
Hello. Hiya. Thank you. Hey all, welcome to my little corner. So this vlog is a little throwback but a special one. Come along with me for a girly day out because I'm finally sharing something I was wanted to share from 1 month ago, the launch of Victoria's Secret in Belfast. That day still feels so refreshed in my memory. It was one of those chilly golden Saturday mornings where the city feels calm but alive at the same time. I remember opening my wardrobe, picking out this soft feminine skirt and top, doing my makeup a little slower than usual, and just feeling excited for a day that was all about fun, friendship, and a touch of glam. I decided to walk all the way from home to city center, and honestly, there is something magical about walking through Belfast on a weekend morning. The quiet streets, the sound of heels on the pavements, the smell of coffee in the air, it all just feels like the city is waking up with you. Well, I went with my bestie Akansha and we couldn't stop talking about how exciting it felt, a new Victoria's Secret in Belfast. We would been waiting for it to open for so long. Well, when we arrived, the store already had such a lively buzzing vibe. Everyone was in high spirits and at the counter they handed out the cutest wristbands to mark the launch. And yes, there was free coffee, one of my favorite part. It was a chilly morning and the cold coffee honestly tasted amazing, refreshing, sweet and somehow perfect for the moment. Thank you so much.
Milk and milk, yeah. What's your syrup? I'll go with caramel. Caramel, yeah. You guys started at 9, yeah? Yeah. Caramel? Yeah. Yeah. That's
Thank you. Well, walking inside, I instantly felt like I had stepped in a little pink dreamland. Soft lighting, blush toned walls, glittery accents, and that signature Victoria's Secret scent floating delicately through the air. I was like walking into a world that celebrates femininity in the prettiest way possible. Well, the store had everything you would imagine, delicate lace lingerie, satin bralettes, and playful designs that felt both confident and soft. But my absolute favorite section, the beauty and the fragrance corner, obviously. There were perfumes, body mist, scented lotions, and the bath products all arranged so beautifully. The air was filled with notes of vanilla, rose, and jasmine, and for a moment I just stood there taking it all in. Fragrance has that quiet power to make you feel pampered, confident, and loved, and Victoria's Secret does that so effortlessly. Akansha and I wandered around trying different scents, admiring every detail, and giggling over our favorites. It felt like a mini self love moment right in the heart of the city, surrounded by pink sparkles and the scent of sweetness.
Do the back ones. Correct? Alright.
Well, after soaking in all that pink and pretty vibes, we decided to wander a bit more and, of course, ended up at Primark because no city shopping day in Belfast is truly complete without a little Primark stop. We walked through the streets, sipping our cold coffees, laughing about the random things, and just enjoying the slow weekend freedom. It was not a fancy day, but it felt perfect in its own simple way. Even though this vlog is a throwback from months ago, I wanted to share it with you guys because it reminds me how beautiful simple weekends can be: a casual stroll, pretty stores, girly laughter, and a warm heart full of little moments that stay with you. It's funny how even a cold coffee, laughter, and pink walls can become the sweetest memories of you. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what's your favorite store to just wander around and feel inspired. Until next time, stay soft, stay kind, and keep finding the joy in the little things that make your world glow. See you. Bye.